Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to make tortoiseshell design. This will be great design for autumn. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. These are the colors and parts that I used. Shells, pearls, gold flakes. You can definitely arrange some of that. Let's start applying colors. I'll fast forward. Transparent brown color. If you only have opaque brown, you can always mix with clear gel. First layer is done. Cure 30 seconds. Second layers. Cure 30 seconds. Let's make tortoiseshell design. I used black clear gel, transparent brown. We'll start from black color. Place the black randomly. If the black was strong, use clear gel to blend it out. We will do few layers. Let's cure 30 seconds. I am applying transparent brown to make the color little darker. Now I'm using black color. Cure 30 seconds. More transparent brown. This will do. Cure 30 seconds. Now working on French lines. My hands are a little shaky. I stop breathing. Focus. And another one. Okay. Looking cute. Crystal gel. Use this parts right there. Cute. Cure 30 seconds. Clear gel. Gold flake. White shell. Gold dots. Thank you for watching. Please give me a comment if you have any request or question. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos.